some new hardware from Amazon the other day. It's not this one, it's actually this one. And it looked one way, of course, on Amazon, and then when it came, it looked like this, which was not what I wanted it to look like. I wanted it to look like this. So instead of sending them back, I decided why not try the same method that I used to antique the frame around my TV. Why not try to use that same method to antique these a little bit and get a little closer to the look I was going for, which is kind of like, just like aged a little bit, you know, not quite so brassy and bright as this is. So I got this, I'm really happy with it. I've put all 6 pulls on the drawers that is on this vanity underneath where I'm standing, and it came down to the same quad that I used on that frame. So we went with our black first spray paint. This is a matte black. Then we went with this Rust-Oleum Gold. This one is called Gold Rush Metallic, and I found it to be my favorite so far for the look that I'm going for. Then I went over it with that Rub and Buff, and this one, keep forgetting, it's called Gold Leaf, which is a really good one. Then I went back over with this glaze. Now, all of these products I already had at my house. I totally know that if you order this, you don't love it, and you have to go out and buy all these things, it's really not cost effective. But if it's a situation, if you're like me and you already have all these things in your storage and you want to try to make it look a little more aged, this is a great solution. So you've got the matte black, the Gold Rush Gold, the Rub and Buff, and then we've got the the clear glaze that goes over it. And it just creates a really nice pull that kind of has that aged look, and everything doesn't look brand new. Because we like to have that mix and match of old things and new things that make it look like it's a well-worn, loved space. So you guys try this out. Let me know if you like it. Send me some comments and let me know what you think.